You will need to remove the belt from the pulleys. Before you take the tension off the belt, loosen but do not remove the three 13mm bolts holding the pulley to the water pump as indicated by the red arrows. Then place a 15mm socket on the bolt on the tensioner, red arrow. Rotate it clockwise and slip the belt off the pulley. Note, if you are replacing the tensioner pulley, you do not need to loosen or remove the water pump pulley. If you are reusing your drive belt, mark the direction of rotation before removing. Hoses have been removed for photographic purposes only. With the belt off, remove the three 13mm bolts from the water pump pulley, red arrow 1 shown. Wiggle the pulley off the water pump, red arrow. Place a 15mm socket over the pulley nut and remove the nut and pulley, red arrow. Use a 6mm Allen and remove the 3 bolts holding the tensioner to the engine. Red arrows, one of them is hidden in this picture. If you are only replacing the pulley, make sure there is no damage to the tensioner in the area where the pulley sits, red arrow. Damage in this area that will cause an uneven area for the pulley to mate against will lead to failure of your new pulley. Installation is the reverse of removal. Here is a diagram to make sure you route the belt correctly. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.